All right, hey, good morning. Welcome to my workshop. Today, I'm going to show you, I'm working on putting some concealed hinges in on this cabinet that I've got for my tools. So I've got one that's almost finished over here, this guy. And so the one I'm working on now, I went ahead and put these little blocks in here underneath the concealed hinges. I went ahead and mounted the hinges about 3 inches down, 3 inches up. So those are mounted in there, and then I marked on my door where they're going to be. And then we'll go ahead and use, this is called a Forstner bit. And shoot, I think this is 1.25 inches or something. I'm not sure exactly, but makes a nice little hole for the hinges to go into. So I made a center line here where that's going to be. The top of the hole is going to be about at the edge of my door frame. I can't see without my glasses. I go until I hit the shoulder here of the Forstner bit. And that gives me enough room for that hinge, that concealed hinge to fit inside. So I got the two holes there. I flip my hinges up, and then this door just sit right in here. Now I'll just put the screws in, and it will look like this when I'm done. That's it for today.